Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. You know the vibes. When I come for talk long in the intro, so subscribe and like if I your first time over your upon the channel. It's me, a JDF. Man, jump out of the car right on time. So as you can see, viewers and subscribers, the dog I drive look up in a vehicle to be first before me even run off of the road, and you don't know him alright, so that are the greatest thing for no one here. So speedy recover to Jdf Soldier end of the day. You know the vibes, says me, but I feel like that man they tired, like them nah get no rest, I swear. Brawling daylight, so and you focus on what going on the road. No man sitting wrong, man. I swear. I don't feel so, but I tell you, it have to be a reason. You want to blow up the comment section. How you feel?
Exactly. I jump to see so that flick out die. I'm saying, yeah.
And if you still a watch, naturally, me will leave live video at the end of videos. Me will be a different type of drama. So check that one out.
I don't want a food bad man. Okay.
Really, hero?
If not eat, remember say you're gonna eat after 6.
Hero.
Rather money. Eat rather money.
Hero, so you're saying that money is more important than eating with your friend? You're saying money is more important than eating with your friend?
Well, how can I eat in your attack? You're taking difference enough.
Consume, I will take a plate of food, I will leave.
Oh, so what do you do like Thanksgiving? A plate, give me a to-go plate.
No, the truth is this. Hero too fucking rough. Listen to me. Hero rough. It's too fucking rough. Me and Hero went to South Beach and had dinner, and the bill came up to like $550. And he will get vexed. He got really mad and left. And said, brethren, you know how much food we could have went.
A blood clot peanut color like this. Who the hell can drink that?
No crazy people, brother.
No, you know, dumb people that bring wild talk up a peanut color like this. All the hell no go and drink of this. I force it the party bill. You don't know me can't drink of this. You just want to spend money. That's unnecessary spending right there. I like Suku.
That's true.
So it's overpriced.
Hero, shut the Suku, shut the fuck up. Cause Suku, don't talk, cause your bill came to $1,200 the last time. So don't talk.
No man, no, I get to understand. You should just agree and say yes, give me that, but stop. Me have a precise way me order nowadays. Yeah, that, no, not that. That, Yeah.
Don, the man get vexed talking about he could have went to Dutch spot or food, the restaurant, and get one oxtail for $18 and this and that, and go home and get jerk chicken. And he said, African, where I pay $5.40 for no fucking chicken wings. He get vexed.
No, Dan. Get your boom now. We go up on it with jet ski. Them jet ski, come in a jet ski. Come in never know fill out the farm. Then forward back now. Me I order a case of fries. And fries is almost $40 Dan. Tell me now.
Well, fries.
Fries.
But
No,
I wish
fries.
money girl that only tell us yeah, go waste money.
Hey, me an idiot, bad man. Give me money. Me not gonna know with African. Give me money.
After me ask you for lunch, all me baby can send me a money and make me just go buy the lunch. It's that cheaper.
Yeah, man. Just send me money, man. Just not be
It's not the money that's a problem. It's the experience. We outside having a good time.
Oh, my backyard, African. Dan live right.
Yeah, me go all around the backyard.
Go around.
All right, question. Bad idea. Say yes or no, right?
No.
I like, wait.
What?
Wait, Don. I like spending time with my friends. I love it. I love spending time and eating and talking with my friends. I love it. Hero know I love it. Don, what about I give you the money and you cook some chicken, some pork, and we come over there and come eat in your backyard?
Hero not eat for me.
That can't cook?
Yeah, me can't cook, but hero not eat for me.
Why?
Because me can't cook.
So this is not gonna work out because I can't ask Hero either. Hold on. I can't ask this either because Hero the other day was cooking. I watched Hero cook on live and his pants was down. If the food, he put his hand in the food. No, I can't eat from that either. I can't eat from that.
We have chef.
Huh?
We have chef. Well, chef lady have with this cookie morning. Call her.
I make chubby food.
Chubby.
Call her today. Tell her to make some fried chicken and some rundown with fried dumpling and rice and peas and bring it come 5 o'clock. Call her.
Oh, yeah.
I promote my friend Chubby. Make Chubby.
I'm calling right now. Chubby's not here. Chubby's in New York. Yeah, call right now. Tell her bring it. Chubby's in New York.
We are here.
Wait. Hero is calling one of the cooks for a dirty weekend right now. The food is amazing. Hero knows this. Hero came to the mansion one time.
On the phone. You know, so we want some rundown and fried chicken and rice and peas.
Are you
And pork. Test 2 pork.
Stew pork.
Stew pork with white rice.
With white rice. You say one white rice too.
Tell us 7. We need it at your house by 7 o'clock.
What time is it?
No fufu on the menu? No fufu on the menu?
Exactly.
Brown stew fish.
Tell her with.
That takes our shoot. What we want?
Tell her we need it by 7 o'clock at your house. Hero, listen. Hero. Wait, Don. Hero, make sure you have table settings and champagne over there, please.
I want the African.
You may not do them thing the African. I want to see a man.
You don't do what, Don?
That would just sit down out and doing a dead cheer, get the food, name it, we eat, we drink for
what? Name it, you love name too much. You know, so me I go cut off your name pussy out and that.
Every minute you bring up suck pussy argument.
No, you say I want name it, and them things you're not talking about. So my brother now don't come sit down to me, I want to hear that.
You ever bring up the suck pussy argument and then of course. Always a cuss them.
I'm too much then.
You always, every time.
Because when I use a little damn pussy sex argument then.
No.
All right. What are you reach over here, Dan?
6:30.
You ready? Your blood clot ready?
6:40. Every minute you move me up.
Hold on.
Also,
Hold on, Hero. Hero, wait, Dan. 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 What? Dan. What time again?
6:45.
Not 30, 6:30. No, 6:30 again.
2 more before 7.
Just 6:30 now. You're right.
Yeah, man, yeah. It's funny as fuck. And that day, I fall. Don't do that. I mean, the one in the crew, one in the lecturers.
I like that, Dan. You know I'm not dealing with the Lesteros. That's a lie, Dan.
I'm talking more pussy. Doing the way a girl. Me have to do.
No, Daddy, I like that. You know we're not treating them. They are star. We're not treating no less than our crew. You like that.
Oh, God.
I like that.
Yo.
Hero, make sure you have sitting set, please.
Yeah, man, again.
African, I care, we're going to put the food.
You just have to have the bowl and everything.
Racist bumbo, why you gonna look up?
I eat with my hand in a nice place.
Big man.
The ear place a nice man.
For you with them.
What?
We there, we now uplift for you. The right now, I feel if it's some people. You know?
It's a dolly, I boo boo.
Who you want to uplift? Talk to me.
No, look how you cheer with us, long as someone and just a laugh and happy.
People bad mind for them to you know.
I'm not happy.
That's what life is about, man.
I'm not happy.
Most people are hard right now.
I'm not happy. I am not happy. No.
This right now, just long and
Brother,
laugh.
I'm not fucking happy. Done.
I want you to say, why you not happy?
Because
I thought you stop spending time with your friends, them.
I'm not happy, Dan. Let me tell you why I'm not happy.
Wow.
Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why I'm not happy. Hero is stressing my life.
That was so good.
Hero has stressed me. I gotta find a helicopter to pick him up in front of his house to drop him in front of Dirty Weekend.
Look over
3 days ago.
do it. You can do it. That not even a touch the pocket.
No, it's not you're missing the point. The Monday is a mansion pool party, Project X. He wanna fly and drop down from the helicopter into the pool.
You never hear what name Project X.
Yeah.
He wanna jump. He wanna jump from the helicopter into the pool.
That's an entrance.
Is that
What if he miss?
him not me?
Man.
What if he miss?
African so gonna rate me now.
Wait a minute. Now good entrance.
Fry come down for fish fry and a fry come down for body.